This is the Fanttik NEX S1 Pro. Really, really awesome little product. I love how compact it is. That is really my biggest issue with a lot of drills. Up until the red Milwaukee drill I got that has attachments that you can put like whatever way that you want, I have never liked a drill so much. This is not really a drill. This is more like a screwdriver. But the fact that you can take it around with you anywhere is really awesome. Pops up like that. It has a 1, 2, and 3 speed, or torque is more like it. It's really the same speed, but it gives it a little more power before the motor will stop. And it does have a brake. One problem I found with using this Fanttik NEX S1 Pro is the fact that the buttons are too flat, number one. Number two, it might just be me, but I hit this all the time. And a lot of times I'm working on sensitive gear, and hitting the button is not something I want to do. So I'd like the button to be either a little more raised or kind of in a better place. Like I think it maybe would have been better suited like more in the middle, and maybe have a forward button and a reverse button instead of something like that that's really easy to press. But other than that, this is a fantastic product. I have used it on multiple things, and the heads that it comes with is a great assortment. I will say they are stronger than what you buy with most actual drill sets, like the Ryobi ones. They feel very strong. They feel high quality. They are 1/4 inch right here. I believe that is 1/4 inch, or maybe it's smaller. I'm not 100% sure. But basically, this is the same size that fits in your standard drill bit adapter, or a bit adapter that you put on a drill. And the bits are really nice quality. Like I said, they're not indestructible. They do also come out, like if you hit it the wrong way, the magnets aren't the strongest on this body, which is unfortunate. But it's not a deal breaker or anything. So the fact that this has USB-C is really awesome. The compact case is really awesome. It doesn't fall out, but if you shake it hard enough, it will. But you should know that. You charge this via USB-C, which is another fantastic addition. I really do like this brand, and I can see why so many people all across Amazon and all across the internet of web of things, of web of the internet things. I can see why people like Fanttik so much. It's a really awesome brand, and I really do enjoy using this. Now, keep in mind that it is powerful, it is adjustable, but this obviously is not a drill. You're not going to be drilling stuff with this. The way it's designed, it's really hard to get a lot of torque. It's better than most little pocket screwdrivers, but where the button is makes it a little bit difficult to get in the right place. And I do see a couple upgrades that would make this thing a little better. But I would say this is the coolest and best and strongest little pocket screwdriver I've ever had. And while I'm pretty broke right now, and I'd appreciate it if you shop down below using the links, they are affiliate links, but they don't cost you anything. It definitely helps me out, guys. I'm trying to pay back all this debt and try not to spend anymore. Even though I am broke, I didn't want to return this because I like it that much, and I did pay for this with my own money. And my name is Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I've been making tech videos for over 10 years. To keep you entertained and well informed, and I'd appreciate you sticking around, hitting the subscribe button, especially if you found this video helpful. Hit the like button. Fanttik definitely did a great job, and if they want to send me some more products, I'd be happy to look at them, guys. All right, remember to embrace goodness and you'll attract greatness. Believe me, it has worked for me, and I know it'll work for all of you guys out there too. Yeah. I'll see you later, guys. Peace.
I'm gonna take it off soon, buddy.